Hello creative Tartanites and welcome to day 28 of 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly journaling. Today's prompt is, what experience would you do over again? Now that could be an experience that you've had in 2018, but it could also be an experience that you've had prior to this as well. It's really just about getting you to start thinking about what your potential goals could be for 2019. And today I'm going to show you a ridiculously quick, ridiculously simple, so ridiculously quick and simple. I'm not even sure I should be doing this as a full video because it is that quick and that easy and that simple, but it is so effective, and I really like the concept of this. It can be changed in so many different ways. I have here a strip of ribbon. It's quite thick ribbon. You may remember it from this page here where I used it to do a tuck spot here. Now I'm going to do another tuck spot, but I'm going to do it slightly different. As always, I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac glue. Now normally I would glue everything and then stick it down, but I think what I'm going to do today is I am going to just glue the one side down for the time being, and I'm just running a bit of glue and I'm making this quite thick at this end, and the reasons why will become apparent very soon. And I'm just placing this down, grabbing a bit of kitchen towel because this is going through. It's because it's fabric, it's seeping through the fabric, but that's okay because it will dry and it'll dry clear. So that is that side done, and I'm just making sure that when I do this that it is going to be the right length, because as you can see there's a bit of a kink in the ribbon, and I just wanted to make sure that I didn't need to adjust the measurements, and it's absolutely fine. So I'm going to turn the book round just so that it's a little bit easier. I'm not having to stretch over. I am just going to stick the glue on this side, and as I said earlier, I'm making this just a little bit wider than I would normally, and it's just because it is the length that it is. So I'm running my fingers up the ribbon to make sure that it stays as flat as possible when it gets up to here. I'm just going to stick this paper again underneath just to catch any of the glue if it comes out. It seems to be okay. And so what this is called a belly band, because it's basically goes in the middle of the page and it allows you to tuck whatever you want in here. Just a tuck spot. But doesn't that look really nice? You can use material, you can use ribbon, you can use whatever you want. The one thing I will say though, if you use material, you may need to stiffen it slightly, but I guess it depends on the paper. In this case, this paper's quite loose, it's quite thin, so I don't know, I may have to stiffen the paper on the backside, but I have an idea for tomorrow's page that I think will probably stiffen the back of here, making it less likely to sort of curl up and things. So that, as they say, is that. You can use paper, you can use card, you can use anything you want for your strip. You can fancy it up. You can embellish it. You can do whatever you want to do. As I've said many times, I'm keeping this very basic, very simple, to allow the beginners to give it a go. And once you're a bit more comfortable with the basics, you can start to add whatever embellishments that you want. I hope you have learnt something fun to try, and I will say goodbye for now, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that the prompt today is giving you some food for thought for 2019. Think nice thoughts. Look after your mental well-being, because nobody else is going to. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.